Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Toyota RAV4 CV, stock reference number 4957. This shape runs from 2005 through to 2012. It has a 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 5-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre 2AZ 4-cylinder petrol engine with a right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel with an average tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right door and guard appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch steel rim with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.